Hey everybody, what's happening? It is SVTWRC here. If it is your birthday, happy birthday, because you know what? It was mine this weekend. If you have an amazing wife like I have, she might just bring you to the biggest indoor go-kart track in the world, yo!
The destination is on your right. Naskart Indoor kart racing and trampoline court.
Don't mind. Probably like a half hour. What's this guy doing sitting outside?
These karts are electric, and they have a boost assist. It's like if you've ever played the old Xbox game, original Xbox game, Project Gotham, where you had to earn kudos that earned you points. This is just like that, but it's an intuitive system on the kart that knows if you're bumping into the walls. That doesn't earn you boost. You have to make clean passes and consistent lap times. Now, this place has two enormous tracks. So let's head on up to the mezzanine level and check out both those tracks. I don't know which one I'm doing first. Well, we're doing both tracks today. So we'll be doing the Coca-Cola track to my left and the Antonio track to my right. We're here today at Naskart in Connecticut, near Uncasville, so it's near Mohegan Sun. It's called Supercharged, powered by Mohegan Sun. So we'll see what we can do here today. Safety briefing, of course, tells you the in and outs of the kart, but more importantly, the safety signs, the move over sign, and the penalty sign for all of you that are going to get nuts out there. All of the karts have seat adjustment, which is really awesome for you either vertically challenged or vertically, what would be the word? Vertically inclined. There is no 5-point harness on any of these. It's just like a regular seatbelt on a car, so strap in. I've got the GoPro mounted with the helmet attachment, and I'm giving you guys and girls a commentary. I'll be giving you subtitles too on the action and what is going on. Alright, enough yapping. First on the track is me and two other dudes. Let's do this. Now, it's funny, but I'm actually kind of nervous because I've never driven like banked turns in a kart or any type of real crazy elevation changes, especially with an electric boost assist. So this is going to be interesting. Let's do it. Alright, it's the moment I've been waiting for. Boost, baby, boost! I know you should reserve it for the main straight, but here we go, baby. Now I realized I'm overdriving the cart, so now let's bear down. I was so focused on the turn, I forgot that I had boost. So my tip to you would be on every straightaway, doesn't matter what, just hit the boost button. If you got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't. My best lap was a 39.934, and it held up to about 7th place for the fastest time of the day for that day on that track. Now, I was lucky enough on a Sunday morning here to get the Coca-Cola Raceway to myself, so I could really see what the kart is doing, what these things can really do. But this track was super technical compared to the other one, which was a little more flowing and fast. This one you definitely had to slow down, or else you were going straight into the wall in a couple places. got 15 minutes. Alright, so you're all set. Oops. At the end of the day, I still held the second fastest lap time for that track for that day. That's not too freaking bad if you ask me. We didn't get a chance to check out the bar or the food, but I'm sure it's pretty decent. It smelled pretty good. This really was one of those amazing experiences you'll never forget. If you're into go-karting, motorsport, just come here and check these karts out, man. They're amazing.